Hey y'all, I am She Is L, and today we are out here in my small farm, and I'm going to harvest some yucca today. Yucca is also known as cassava, is a beautiful plant that grows natively in the Caribbean, and I'm here in Costa Rica, and I planted my first yucca about 6 months ago. And it's funny because if you notice, these leaves are turning yellow, and I thought that it was just getting too much sun. So I was pruning them and then putting them as mulch. Little did I know that was the sign that it's time to harvest. So today I'm gonna do my best to harvest this particular plant today, and let's see what we get. If you can, see around me, I have quite a few yucca trees growing. And like this one here, this one is a baby. And so I'm trying to have some succession planting. So today what I'll do is when I harvest this, I'm going to leverage this particular plant to grow and produce more. Watch me work. Ooh. Woo! Ooh, did y'all see that entanglement? Yeah, I got jokes. Anyhow, in an effort to keep y'all entertained, I'm just going to describe a little of what I'm doing right now. So I've got this cool shovel that's kind of designed for digging holes, and it's kind of long and narrow. So I'm just going around the perimeter of the plant and what I think the perimeter of the plant is. However, I've seen other plants really, really massive. So sometimes you may need to go and make a larger circle around the plant. But considering that the base of the plant wasn't super duper wide, I wasn't concerned that it was super large, and I thought that that size perimeter was okay. But in the future, or if I have a larger plant, I want to be a little bit more mindful that I could possibly damage the plant. So I may, if the base of the plant is larger, I may have to, make the perimeter just a little larger footprint.
You saw it on YouTube?
Yeah, where they used a shovel, a big one like that, and popped it. And the goal is to kind of lift it up and loosen the soil so that when you pull on it, you can pull it out, get all the root out without breaking or damaging the plant. So I had to think quick on my toes. And so I decided to move the mulch that was on top just a bit to see if that would make it a little easier for me to pull the yucca plant out of the ground. Ooh wee. Can y'all see that excitement? Your girl was so happy. My first yucca harvest. And even though I was a bit winded right here, I just went ahead and made some cuttings for my next yucca plantings. Now I can grow new cassava with these. Just to recap, we went from this to that. Stay tuned for some future yucca updates.